get today's party started, we are going to fix up a few little things on the car that I don't really like. The main thing being the door jams. I'm just gonna grab some all black vinyl, throw it inside that door jamb and on this rear as well. Other than that, we should be good to go. You can't really see much white other than those two little areas. So on the back, I'll probably run all the way to this line right here. Can you see it up here? No. So it starts right about here. How could I make that look good? I'll probably just taper it off right about here. Run all the way down. This one right here is gonna be super easy. I'll just go right to the edge, cut it off, and be golden. That right there is the main goal today. We gotta get the front bumper done. And might put it on the car. I don't really have all the stuff to do it, but I guess we can set it up on there, see how good it looks. So we're all finished up with the jams. Let's move on to this front bumper. I am going to be putting the bumper on the car just so we have a solid place to work from. Last time I did it on the table over there and it's kind of a pain in the ass. So I'm going to throw it on the car and we can get to vinyl wrapping that. Hopefully we can make it turn out really nice. All right, my fam, we are all finished up the bumper. Looking absolutely amazing. Let's go ahead and pull it off. We still have to install the splitter, all the canards, and all the mesh. We can't run this bumper until we get the JDC quick releases in. I don't have any way to mount the sides because those holes are broken out. You saw me earlier put the OEM bracket on the middle, so that is going to hold the center, but I don't have anything to hold the sides, and of course I don't want to drive around with a floppy bumper. So let's pull this thing off, get it fully assembled, and see how it looks. So we have the carbon fiber canards. Those are going to look so, they're just going to add so much to this front bumper, and then here's like the bottom half splitter of the bumper as well. As you can see, it kind of just drops off. So that is the main part we got to get bolted on. All of this mesh right here, we got to put on, but it's some of it's silver, some of it's rusty. I'm gonna get all that cleaned up and spray all that black, just because I'm not a huge fan of silver mesh. All right, we got all of this sprayed out. Pretty easy to do. I just used some Walmart paint, so I hope it lasts. If it starts chipping again, I'll probably just pull it off and powder coat it all. Let's get this thing fully assembled, and I'm thinking it's gonna look pretty sick on this car. We just need a hood. We really need to get the hood fixed. Even that right there without the canards looks absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to get on this car. We got the bumper all complete minus the mesh. Take a good look at this thing, guys. That is gonna look so sick on the car. What we're gonna do, throw the headlight back on, get the car off the ramps so we can really see how low and aggressive this bumper is. So get the car off the ramps, throw the bumper on, set it up on there, stand back and take a good old look at it. That is what I am talking about. That looks so freaking aggressive. Not insanely low, so we could, I mean, if we really wanted, we could throw another splitter on the bottom of the Varis just to kind of protect everything that's going on right there. But I'm gonna bust out some red pinstripe. We're gonna do the edges of the canards, and I'm gonna do the whole bottom of the splitter. Let's see how that looks. Holy shit, guys. I have never been this freaking excited, this pumped for a car. Not only is this thing hauling ass, or just about to haul ass, this is one of the best looking cars I've ever built in my life. Is that too much red? Is that too much red? Drop a comment down below. I'll throw a screenshot on from before with just the canards done, and then here it is now with everything done, the canards and the splitter. Damn, that is nuts. Here it is with some lights on. Oh damn, those demon eyes and those boomerangs from Lit Lights look so freaking amazing on this car. I'm gonna flip the car around. I think I may do a little bit of red pinstriping on the trunk. Make sure you drop a comment down below though. Let me know, do you think the splitter being red as well is too much red, or is it perfect? I think it's perfect. Let me know. I don't freaking know. I don't know if I like that. It is really, really easy to get carried away with this kind of stuff. That may be a little bit too much with the red on the trunk. I'm gonna go ahead and end it out right here, guys. I did end up picking up some stuff to fix up the hood. So that is probably gonna be the next project we work on, is repairing all the fiberglass on the hood and repainting it. I'll see you guys then.